We are happy to see you all back here at Wealthy Coined. CEO of Google admits that Shiba Inu can be burned. Prepare to be unemployed forever. SHIB news update. Hundreds of SEXW attendees flooded into a tranquil sanctuary on Monday, just hours after the failure of Silicon Valley Bank threatened the viability of the majority of digital businesses. An idyllic digital setting featuring swaying cherry trees and bamboo woods, as well as a distinctive shrine to the Shiba Inu, a kind of Japanese hunting dog. Known as the Wagmai Temple, we're all going to succeed. To paraphrase the crypto slogan, it was a welcome change from the defunct financial systems and an early peek at the metaverse that the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency team was creating. It has been confirmed by Google's CEO that Shiba Inu can burn. We'll discuss this in this video. Prepare to be unemployed forever. SHIB news update. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. Decentralization of cryptocurrency in events like Friday's bank run is inevitable. The shrouded man, known only as Satoshi Kusama, communicates with the Quick firm via Google Meet. He is the shrouded developer of the Shiba Inu dog breed. He refuses to talk out and instead types into a chatbot while turning off his camera. The fractional reserves of banks are being signed by him. The more individuals who see this and opt to diversify, a rise of 5x in the number of adoptions worldwide. After that, what exactly is this SHIB thing? Our awesomeness is revealed to them. That is not to say that some individuals are unaware. Even while Web3 evangelists are still a small minority on Twitter, SHIB may have the most devoted fan base among crypto degens. The SHIB army, the token's devoted supporter since its creation 2.5 years ago, took the joke about creating a Dogecoin killer token to defeat Dogecoin, another meme-based token, very seriously. With their combined efforts, they catapulted Shiba Inu into what was once one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by social media bootstrapping, reaching a market cap of $44 billion. The Shiba Inu universe has grown since its inception, thanks to the decentralized exchange network ShibaSwap and a set of 10,000 pixelated Shiba Inu avatars with unique accessories like pirate hats and pizza slices. In addition to endorsements from Ethereum creator Vitalik Buterin and crypto influencer Elon Musk, the Canadian luggage business Bugatti partnered with Shiba Inu. In addition to having 3.6 million followers on crypto Twitter, the meme crowd's playful trolling has developed into a powerful force, with users threatening to raise the SHIB hashtag to new heights and using hashtags like ShibArmyStrong and HailShib. Come 2022, the cryptocurrency ranked third in terms of global Google searches. The most recent development is Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain that was released into beta last week along with some new tokens. This is all in preparation for SHIB, the Metaverse, the flagship Metaverse, which will launch with a virtual storefront for rock and roll fashion designer John Richmond. SHIB plans to use it to transcend meme currency status. Part of the charm of the Shiba Inu comes from its strange mythos. Even before his summertime internet disappearance, its creator, Ryoshi, was shrouded in secrecy. He has permanently removed his comically feline-shaped avatar from the Discord servers. However, he left behind some evidence. After the currency attracted 6,000 wallets, Satoshi joined the roadmap that Ryoshi had left behind. However, Sended skyrocketing had been following ever since, prior to Musk's statements. Who owns SHIB's money is another unknown. Sales of land plots in the metaverse go toward funding its development, says Satoshi, while the money from the sale of Shiboshi NFTs goes toward other things. The team has not yet made a decision about Leash and Bones tokenomics or retained ownership. They wouldn't say whether they collect a percentage of ShibaSwap's fees. A round of venture funding has not been solicited. A term that appears innumerable times in interviews, tweets, and blog posts is community. Yet, it is SHIB's biggest boast. While they are plotting the metaverse, according to Marcy Jastro, principal advisor at SHIB Metaverse, who spoke with Fast Company, they're taking the SHIB Army suggestions into consideration. The group contracted with a company to build it using the Unreal Engine. However, there is no artistic director. They start by sketching up ideas in black and white. Then they post the sketches to a blog and see what others think on social media. Then they make a ton of edits, add colors, and render in 3D. The Wagmai Temple, the first of 11 future zones, is a pristine fantasy realm teeming with outdoor yoga and grazing deer. Even in other metaverses, such as Decentralization, that community is strong. The sandbox, sometimes known as Yuga Lab's other side, is sometimes viewed as an adversary. The pioneers must unite, according to Jastro, if the metaverse is to continue being a site of transformation. Compared to the "we wanted everyone to win," she explains, "we merely desired for the headset to function. During the crypto winter, when venture capital investment is at a standstill and survival feels more ruthless than ever, it could feel overly nice." Of course, Jastro is correct. Every metaverse has a hard time convincing people to live in Web 3 or even a 3D Web 2. So what works for one may not work for another. Meta is currently more concerned with artificial intelligence than the metaverse, notwithstanding Mark Zuckerberg's advocacy for Horizon Worlds. After Facebook's Metaverse subsidiary lost $13.03 billion in 2022, Mark Zuckerberg staked the company's reputation on this idea. A decentralized network boasts 8,000 daily active users and was selling at a 60-cent discount to the dollar last year. It is probably the leader in the industry. A number of metaverse currencies have experienced price drops of up to 80%. Shiba Inu's current market capitalization is $6 billion, and there are a total of 589 trillion tokens in circulation with a price of 1 cent. In the event that the token's value were to rise to $1 per token, according to earlier speculation, this would indicate a staggering implicit valuation of $189 trillion, which is far higher than the GDP of the world. The most recent news on Shiba Inu keeps making headlines. Many people are interested in investing in Shiba Inu because of the large returns they might potentially achieve. There is a growing network of Shiba Inu owners and dealers to meet the rising demand. That such a price would need such a precipitous drop in supply is obvious to any prudent investor. The low price and great potential returns of this unique cryptocurrency driven by millennials, meanwhile, are attracting many crypto aficionados. At the time of writing, the price of SHIB, the token that powers Shiba Inu, the second largest meme coin, was 11.20 cents, a 15 increase. Early in March, the price of Shiba Inu bounced back from a vital falling trendline support, suggesting that a shift to the north was imminent after breaking out in January and rising 96 to a new annual high of 15.76 cents by early February. SHIB then corrected to 1 cent, which happened to coincide with the trend line. Even if Shiba Inu has risen by double digits in the past day, there are still some requirements that must be met before investors can declare a new bull market. With a market valuation of $6.06 million, the second most popular meme coin is now trading at 11.20 cents. The 30 increase in trading volume to $321 in the previous 24 hours for Shiba Inu suggests that investors are piling in anticipation of a considerably larger price movement in the next several days. Nonetheless, prices cannot go lower than 11.26 cents at the moment due to the 100-day exponential moving average. In order to maintain the breakout from the declining trend line, SHIB must break above this crucial moving average. Important momentum indicators such as the divergence between moving averages show a bullish front even while there is immediate resistance. The MACD produced a buy signal on the daily time frame chart, following the dump of Shiba Inu in the market as a whole caused by the failure of Silicon Valley Bank. The MACD's buy signal on the 4-hour chart is being maintained, but this time it is staying above the mean line. As we approach into March 22nd,